Admiral Sayyari remarked, "Since the victory of the Islamic Revolution, we have achieved remarkable progress in the construction of a variety of naval assets, including submarines, destroyers, missile-launching vessels, both heavy and light support ships, as well as various types of boats, helicopters, hovercraft, and coastal missile systems. We have also made strides in drone and missile technologies." He further noted, "Following the successful construction of destroyers such as Jamaran, Damavand, Sahand, and Dena, we are now in the process of integrating the Taftan destroyer into the Navy in the near future." Emphasizing the Navy's capabilities, Sayyari stated, "Today, the Iranian Navy is equipped with high-level competencies. We face no challenges in the construction of destroyers and are fully capable of manufacturing them, thanks to the skills and creativity of our personnel." Iranian officials have consistently affirmed their commitment to bolstering military capabilities, with assurances that these enhancements are purely defensive. Leader of the Islamic Revolution Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei has repeatedly emphasized the importance of maintaining and expanding Iran's defense posture. In addition, Iran's Navy unveils plans for new submarines, expanded global presence. "We will be taking delivery of several new submarines in the near future," he stated, framing this development within a broader context of the Iranian Navy's ongoing modernization and expansion of its global presence. Admiral Irani emphasized the Navy's success in overcoming various threats and sanctions, asserting that it has made significant progress toward national strategic goals. He highlighted the Navy's persistent efforts to maintain a strong presence in international waters, explaining plans to upgrade existing vessels and bolster its offshore bases. "We are diligently working to maintain our presence and update our capabilities in all fields," he said, detailing plans to meet operational demands across a wide range of capabilities. The Admiral specifically addressed the Navy's ongoing submarine construction program, confirming that several new submarines are nearing completion and will soon be commissioned. He also lauded the force's considerable missile capabilities, stating that the Iranian Navy produces a diverse range of missiles. "We possess weapons systems with a range exceeding 1,000 kilometers, he declared, further noting significant advancements in the Navy's electronic warfare capabilities. Admiral Irani revealed the construction of vessels larger than the Moj class, confirming that two such larger warships are currently under construction. Looking ahead to the upcoming National Navy Day celebration on November 29th, he detailed plans for a ceremony with anticipated attendance from foreign delegates. "This year's Navy Day will feature a ceremony with foreign delegates," he confirmed. Further plans outlined by the Admiral include an international maritime emergency response drill, as well as a large-scale combined naval exercise to be conducted before the end of the current Iranian calendar year, March 20th. He also emphasized the Navy's commitment to regional cooperation, mentioning plans for joint patrols with neighboring countries and the establishment of several new oceanic hubs. "We are currently exchanging cadets and professors with neighboring states, staging combined drills and holding bilateral meetings," Irani asserted, highlighting existing collaborative efforts. Admiral Irani concluded his statement by asserting Iran's active role in the evolving multipolar world order, emphasizing a commitment to peaceful relations while maintaining a strong stance against adversaries. He stressed Iran's determination to remain an independent and influential actor on the global stage, declaring, "The enemies must bear in mind that Iran will never be isolated."